So today I'm on my way to do a spot of fishing when I saw a massive explosion from way down there of water, and I'm guessing a water pipe has just burst. I'm getting wet, I'm getting very wet. Oh my god! Wow! Ugh. Well, that's me wet and cold. Let's go fishing. I will be the first to admit that conditions are not exactly favourable. I mean, it is a little bit flooded today, but with flooded conditions, no one else is stupid enough to be out fishing. Where's my net? I'm gonna trawl and fish on. What have we got? It's big. Pike. Oh, broke my net. There we go. Pike. Oh, it's kind of pretty here. So, what's happened is I've broken my net. I'm fishing in the flooded water, but fortunately for me, there is an outdoor shop in town centre, which means trekking through with all my fishing gear to see if I can get a new net. But as you can see behind me, it is quite pretty. Gotta turn negatives into positives, eh? Right, managed to get myself a new net. River's still flooded, but hey ho. So usually you can't fish here because the trees are in the way. I'm thinking, with the river being up, there might be something hiding in here. Nothing massive, but still, there's a good chance with some smaller things hiding in here. Okay. Okay, was not expecting that. There's not going to be any perch in here, fees in here. Right. You lay there and luxuriate. And I'll get this hook out. You going to behave? Oh. Nope. Nope. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, you idiot. Immaculate condition, baby pike. Let's go for a hand release. I've not done one of them in a while. Whoa! Jesus! Oh, I'm just gonna try and grab this. Got it. That was not cool. You scared the living daylights out of me. Baby pike, look at the bite mark on its tail there. And on its belly here, something's had it. If we look on the other side, all clean. Right, you, go off. I'm going to call you Jumpy. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, I absolutely shit myself. Come on, you. It's definitely a day for Pike. This is exactly where I started fishing this morning. The water is down quite a bit, and I think I'm going to wrap it up.